Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Nissan Murano. First, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side near the firewall. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which includes a can of refrigerant and a hose with a gauge. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your engine is off and cool before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental injury. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your kit to the low-pressure service port. It should click into place. Next, take your can of refrigerant and shake it vigorously for about 1 minute to ensure the contents are well mixed. Once connected, start your Nissan Murano's engine and turn the air conditioning system to its maximum cool setting with the fan on high. This prepares the system for refrigerant intake. With the engine running and AC on high, you're ready to add refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger for about 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this process, adding refrigerant in short bursts. Continuously check the pressure gauge on your hose. You want the needle to stay within the green zone, indicating a proper fill level. Avoid overfilling, as this can damage your AC system. Continue until the gauge reads correctly. Once the pressure gauge indicates a full charge, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Be careful, as a small amount of refrigerant might escape. Now, it's a good idea to check for any leaks around the connections you made. Listen for hissing sounds or use a leak detector if you have one. Enjoy your newly recharged AC. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.